is the final look in full color for you guys. I really do like it. It's fun and flirty. It's not too dramatic, but it's not too safe or too neutral. It's just kind of like right there in the middle. I really do enjoy it. I just put a light gloss on my lips. I didn't want to do like a full lipstick. I wanted a little bit of color. And in case you were wondering, the eyeshadow palette I used is the Nomad Cosmetics Encinitas palette. I also used a shade in their Studio 54 Disco Shadow palette as well. I had so much fun making this different type of video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. This was something that I have been wanting to do for quite a while, and I finally got the opportunity to do it, and I finally bit the bullet and did it. So please show me some love down in the comments. I will greatly appreciate it. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, the rest of the products that I did use for this makeup look that I did not talk about in this video will be down in the description box as well. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. That looks so freaking orange. I'm pretty sure I have it on the normal or the cool setting. I really hope this goes over well because this is something I really like. Sometimes there are days when I just can't talk, and today is one of those days. That took no time for me to get my hair back up.